The dashboard showcases an AI/ML modeling mentorship program, data-driven mentorship, featuring a series of educational videos on topics such as deep learning, AI models, ISO 21001 standards, and neural networks. Here's how this dashboard supports the mentorship program. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 1. Structured learning. The videos provide a structured approach to AI/ML concepts, making it easier for ments to follow a step-by-step learning path. 2. Visual learning. Since the dashboard features videos with data visualizations and neural network models, learners can grasp complex AI concepts more effectively. 3. Self-paced learning. Participants can learn at their own pace, revisiting concepts as needed. 4. Expert guidance. The program is led by Pradeep K. Suri, who is mentioned in the dashboard. His expertise ensures valuable mentorship for aspiring AI/ML professionals. 5. Standardized learning path. The dashboard shows topics like neural networks and AI models related to ISO 21001, which suggests a well-structured curriculum. 6. Engagement and interactivity. The video-based content and interactive graphs make learning more engaging and hands-on. Overall, the dashboard represents a well-organized mentorship program that leverages visualization, structured learning, and real-world AI/ML applications to guide ments effectively. How this dashboard helps in the AI/ML Modeling Mentorship Program. The AI/ML Modeling Mentorship Program, as depicted in the dashboard, offers an organized and structured approach to understanding complex concepts in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Below are the key ways in which the dashboard and its components contribute to the effectiveness of the mentorship program. 1. Visual learning for enhanced understanding. The dashboard contains video thumbnails with graphical representations of AI/ML models, which help illustrate complex concepts in a more digestible manner. Visual aids, such as graphs, neural network diagrams, and data flows, enhance comprehension and retention of key topics. The inclusion of bar charts and circular graphs aids in better data visualization, helping ments grasp data-driven insights more effectively. How the dashboard supports mentorship. 1. Structured learning pathway. The titles on the videos in the dashboard, such as How a Deep Neural Network Works, suggest a step-by-step learning journey. It provides a clear sequence for ments to follow, ensuring they grasp foundational concepts before moving to advanced topics. 2. Practical demonstrations. The presence of interactive diagrams and visualizations suggests that the mentorship program emphasizes hands-on learning. Seeing real-world applications through visual data representations enhances understanding and retention. 3. Standardized learning approach, ISO 21001 and AI/ML. The inclusion of AI/ML models adhering to ISO 21001 standards ensures that ments are being trained according to industry best practices. Standardization helps in making the learning process more systematic, efficient, and applicable to professional settings. 4. Engaging learning experience. The use of videos with clear graphical elements makes the mentorship program more engaging. The play buttons indicate that video content is available, which allows for dynamic, interactive, and visual learning. 5. Hands-on application through graphs and DNN networks. The visual representations of neural networks and data distribution allow for a better understanding of AI models and their processes. Helps ments develop an intuitive understanding of complex AI/ML concepts with real-world applications. 6. Recognition of expert contributions. Featuring Pradeep K. Suri and his innovative approach highlights the mentorship program's credibility and experience. In conclusion, this dashboard reflects an educational framework where aspiring AI/ML professionals can gain hands-on experience through structured mentorship, visual learning tools, real-world case studies, and guidance from an experienced mentor. This AI/ML Modeling Mentorship Program dashboard provides a structured and visual approach to mentoring, benefiting both mentors and ments from a management perspective. Here's a detailed breakdown of how this dashboard supports mentorship. 1. Structured learning approach. The dashboard presents video-based modules, ensuring that ments can learn at their own pace. The titles of the videos suggest a progressive learning curve, allowing ments to build on fundamental concepts before moving to advanced topics. This structured approach ensures consistency in training, reducing the burden on mentors while providing a clear learning path. 2. Visual learning enhancements. The dashboard contains videos with visual explanations, making complex AI/ML concepts more accessible. The use of bar charts, Sankey diagrams, and other graphical representations helps in breaking down difficult concepts into digestible parts. The visual approach makes the learning experience engaging and interactive, which can be helpful for learners with different learning styles. 3. Effective knowledge transfer for mentorship programs. This video dashboard supports mentorship programs by allowing mentors to standardize the learning material for ments. Ments can go through pre-recorded explanations and visualizations before discussions, making mentor-mentee sessions more focused on problem-solving and advanced learning. Encourages a self-paced learning process where ments can revisit videos and reinforce their understanding. 4. Performance tracking and interactive analytics. The presence of bar charts, pie charts, and neural network visualization suggests that this dashboard tracks progress. It may help mentors and ments analyze performance trends and compare the effectiveness of different AI/ML models. Interactive visuals allow hands-on learning, making complex AI/ML topics more approachable and easier to grasp. 5. Alignment with AI standards, ISO 21001. The mention of AI model, ISO 21001 suggests an alignment with industry standards for AI and deep neural networks. This provides ments with a structured curriculum and a clear industry benchmark. Such standardization enhances credibility and prepares ments for industry requirements. 6. Use case-based training. The visuals in the videos suggest that the training involves real-world examples, such as data processing flows and AI model performance evaluation. By showing actual process flows, data visualizations, and neural network architectures, ments can better understand and implement AI/ML concepts. 7. Mentors' personalized guidance. The presence of Pradeep K. Suri in the dashboard indicates a personalized mentoring element. The text highlights that the approach is innovative and focused on practical implementation rather than just theoretical knowledge. Direct mentorship or additional insights from an experienced mentor can bridge knowledge gaps efficiently. 8. Potential features for enhancement. To improve this dashboard, consider 1. Interactive quizzes and assessments, to track progress and reinforce learning. 2. Live Q&A sessions, allow ments to clarify doubts in real time. 3. Discussion forums, to facilitate peer-to-peer learning and mentor interaction. 4. Downloadable resources, additional reading materials, data sets, and code examples. 5. Certificate of completion, to validate the mentee's learning journey. This dashboard has the potential to provide a structured, visual, and interactive learning experience for ments, making it an effective tool for AI/ML mentorship programs. Thank you.